Hello friends, in this video I showed you this new app friends. Use this app you can take your any picture or your friend's picture and make a funny video and funny picture friends. So okay, let's see, I show you friends. So first I show you how to make a funny video and funny picture friends. After I show you how to download this app. So app open friends. So just simply friends choose which one video you want to make. Click here friends and then click here friends. So you can take picture or you can choose a picture gallery inside any picture. So now I choose friends this picture I choose ready friends. So just simply click here and you see downside here. Now click here friends and just wait 5 to 10 seconds. So you see here friends, I choose my picture and make this funny video. Now I showed you how to make a funny picture and click here friends and you see here friends, I just take my picture and you see here can make funny picture. So you also can make your picture or your friend's picture funny. So friends, use this app. Now I again choose other picture. You see here friends. Just wait 5 to 10 seconds. And you see again here my picture change ready. Then all funny picture here you can see friends. And okay, now I show you. So this app name have friends. So friends, this app name have Bomo. So you can very easily download in Play Store friends this app. So if you like this video, like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.